How to log into your Ceridian Dayforce payroll account. What's up everyone, in today's tutorial I'll be showing you guys a quick and easy way to log into your Dayforce account. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Dayforce is a cloud-based human capital management platform that integrates various HR, payroll, benefits, workforce management, and talent management functionalities into a single unified system. So that's a short description for the app. Now, the first thing you need to do is search for Dayforce payroll. And then once you do that, hit enter. Then you should be able to see this link right here, dayforce@cm.com, which stands for Dayforce Human Capital Management. Open this link up, and once you do that, you should be able to log in right here. And once you get to your login portal, the first thing it will ask you is the company name. So just enter your company name, and then from here you can just enter your username and then your password. So if all of your login credentials are correct, then what you can do is simply tap on the login option to collect your payroll. And if you're somehow not able to log into your account, you can click on this can't access your account. What it will do is it will help you log in to a different account by sending you a reset link on your phone number or your email. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe on the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one.